Welcome to Abid Future Tech. We're thrilled to have you here as we dive into the fascinating world of technology, artificial intelligence, gadgets, and digital innovation. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting your journey, there's something here for everyone. In today's video, we'll break down the latest tech updates in a way that's easy to understand. Technology is evolving at lightning speed, and it can be overwhelming to keep up. That's why we're committed to simplifying complex topics and making them accessible to all. From groundbreaking advancements in AI to the newest gadgets hitting the market, we'll cover it all in straightforward language that demystifies the tech landscape. Have you ever wondered how AI is reshaping our daily lives? We'll explore the incredible ways artificial intelligence is transforming industries, enhancing productivity, and even changing the way we interact with our devices. You'll discover practical applications of AI that you can incorporate into your own life, whether it's for work, study, or just for fun. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also share valuable tips and tutorials designed specifically for creators and tech lovers. If you're looking to enhance your skills or find new ways to express your creativity through technology, you're in the right place. Our step-by-step guides will empower you to harness the tools at your disposal, making your tech experience not just enjoyable, but also productive. At Abid Future Tech, our mission is clear. We want to make technology easy, exciting, and useful for everyone. We believe that understanding technology shouldn't be reserved for a select few. It should be a journey that everyone can embark on. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a creator looking for inspiration, or simply someone who loves to stay updated on the latest trends, we're here to support you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to explore the endless possibilities that technology has to offer, make sure to stick around. We're excited to share this journey with you and can't wait to see how you'll apply what you learn. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, let's embrace the future of technology and make it work for us. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.